morning everybody. Today I will just finish the chapter describing words, page number 23. Page number 23. Last day I have completed also page number 22. YouTube class I have already completed. Besides that, those who have completed, please revise it. Those who did not complete, please write in your book. Please write in your book. Please write in your book. Here matching is there. Please open that page number 23. Matching is there. Here please do the number matching. Please do the number matching. Okay? Please do the number matching. F. Sky. Number 1. Number 2. Tomatoes. Number 3. Shoes. Number 4. Mangoes. Number 5. Hair. Number 6. Pool. Number A. Red. Number A. Red. Number B. Sweet. Number C. Blue. Number D. Deep. Number E. Black. Number F. Curly. So please do the number matching. Please don't do the cross matching. You are in class 1, so if you are doing the cross matching, we cannot understand properly. So that time, in exam time, we cannot give the marks. From the class 1, you should do the number matching. Okay? Sky, blue. So here number 1 we can write. Tomatoes, red. So here 2 we can write. Shoes, black. Here E, black shoes. So here number 3 we can write number 3. After that mangoes. Mangoes number 4. Here sweet. So number 4 here we can write. Hair, curly hair. Number 5 and pool, deep pool. So here 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please do that. Everybody should mute your microphone. So please everybody should mute your microphone. Okay? Everybody should mute your microphone. Okay. So do this number matching. First 2, red tomatoes, sky, blue sky, number 1. Number 3, shoes, black shoes. Number 4, mangoes, sweet mangoes. Number 5, curly hair. Number 6, deep pool. So here I think you have done this matching. You have done this number matching. And page number, Sharona, I have written page number 23. Page number 23. I have already written page number 23. So here, after that, we can write the, just I have done little bit fast because most of the students you have completed this matching. Now I will write slow the sentences. Those who did not write, please write, and those who have written, you can revise it. Please, number 1. Number 1 they have given, the sky is blue. Sky is blue. Number 2. Number 2, tomatoes are red. Tomatoes are red. Tomatoes are red. Tomatoes are red. Number 3, shoes are black. Shoes are black. Now Number 4, mangoes are sweet. Mangoes are sweet. Number 5, here that girl is having curly hair. So we can also write here is curly or she has curly hair. Anything you can write because the sky is blue, the pool is deep, mangoes are sweet, shoes are black. Here we can write her hair is curly or hair is curly. Anything you can write. 6, pool is deep. So here the 6 sentences, please write. Slowly you should write. Those who are writing, please write slowly. Sky is blue, that is already written. Tomatoes are red. Shoes are black. Mangoes are sweet. Hair is curly. Pool is deep. Please write all these things. Next, that grammar activities. Grammar activities, so many words are there. Here, old, fat, hot, big, these are all the opposite words and also describing words. So one thing I told you, you should write 2 sentences. I will show you 5 sentences. Another, please open your, if you finish this, you will open your copy. In English copy, please open your English copy. Please open your, after finishing this, open your English copy. So after that, I will do these grammar activities. After finishing this, please open your English copy. Here they have told that prepare 20 cards with these words written on them. But I will tell you to write your, to make sentences with 2 describing words. Here old, you know that, old, young, hot, cold, fat, thin, big, short, wet, dry, sad, happy, rich, poor, dry, also dry, wet, tall, short we have got, poor, poor also rich, hard, soft, clean, dirty, all these things we have got these pairs of words. So we can write in the copy, please, students, please open your copy. Where is Wendri? Where is Wendri? Wendri, please come. Yes. Wendri, please open your copy. Everybody, please open your copy. Just I am rubbing this and activities I have written for you. And activities will do here that all these things opposite words they have given, but pair of words also you can tell. Old, young, you should know that. Hot, cold, dry, wet, dry, wet. Open your copy and start writing. Open your copy and start writing. Then Rich, poor. Rich, poor. Sad, happy. Then clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Big, small. Big, small. Tall, short. And these are opposite, but at the same time these are describing words also. You can describe also two words to pair of words. You should do by yourself, not to take help from your parents. Okay, please do by yourself. I will show you one sentence. After that you can do it. Please write that old, young, hot, cold, dry, wet, rich, poor, sad, happy, clean, dirty, big, small, tall, short, and also we have got the hard, soft. H-A-R-D, hard, soft. Hard, soft. Thin, fat also. Fat, thin, another word is there, fat, thin. So, from this word I will show you 2 or 3 sentences that you can write like this, 2 or 3 sentences. Here, like this, old and young, old, young. These 2 sentences, how can we make? Please write. Next page, if you have written this thing, next page you can write or after that. So, my grandfather is old, but my uncle is young. Please write the sentence. Please write the sentence. Everybody, please write the sentence. My grandfather is old, but my uncle is. You cannot see. Why you cannot write? I could not understand. You cannot see me. Because I think you are having some problem. You can, once you join again, leave again, you can join. So young, old. After that, I will show another thing also. Hard, soft. Hard, soft. The stone is hard, but your pillow is soft, cotton is soft, feather is soft, but feather means, do you know that wings of the bird? Okay, feather is, or cotton, anything you can write. We can write cotton ball also, but cotton is soft. This pair of words we can just make a sentence. Then also big, small, poor, and rich, all these things, hot and cold. Tea is hot, I have written for you. Please write. Yes, weight. Weight also we have to write the wet and dry. Okay. Sometimes you can see that towel is dry, towel is wet, but my clothes are dry. You can write towel is wet, but my clothes are dry. So like this, you should please write by yourself, beta. Please write by yourself. Ayush, write. You can write also. You can write by yourself. The school also, when you come to school, you have to write by yourself. Here the tea is hot and ice is cold. Another also sentence I will write for you. So young, my grandfather is old and my uncle is young. Okay. Hard and soft, the stone is hard but cotton is soft. Then hot, the tea is hot and ice is cold. Here also another 2-3 sentences I can write for you. Fat and thin, that tall and short. Also we can write the giraffe is a tall animal, but dog is a short animal. We can write he is a tall boy and she is a short girl. In our class, any name you can give also, you can write. After that, I told you wet and dry. We can write for you wet, dry. The towel is wet and my shirt, my clothes are dry. One thing, these 2, 3, 4 sentences I have done. Another 5 you will do. Okay, I will do slowly. I will not just Zarin, please write slowly. Okay, no need to do fast. I will not write for you. Now you will write slowly. Okay, very good, beta. So after that, I will not rub and you will do all these things as your practice work. You can try by yourself because you can do all these things. And next day, I will give or you will submit all this work to the assignment page in my e-portal. And I will check. Besides that, I will give after 2-3 days all this work to your answer page. Means answer page in assignment page also as an answer. Please write slowly. You will write, beta. You will write. All the students, please write by yourself. Please, guardian, don't write for them. Okay, I will not write very fast because these last 2 things, this matching and also these sentences I have done in YouTube classes, twice I have done. So that's why that things I have done little bit fast, but next things only 4 sentences I have written. Please write by yourself. Apronil, are you writing? Okay. Please write, beta. Slowly you should write. Where is your copy? Open your copy and write all these sentences. Any English copy. Okay, upload. Okay, I will just upload this class also in the YouTube, and already I have done all these things in my YouTube class. Describing words, you can get this matching, and also these sentences I have done. Today again I will give all these things to the YouTube classes. Okay. Why, Abronil, why are you not writing? Which book? Grammar book, beta. English grammar, page number 23. I have done these things also. Grammar activities page. Okay, grammar activities. Okay, network problem, I know that. No problem. I will give all these things to the assignment page. Abronil, why are you playing, beta? Please don't play. You will prepare your copy, book. Okay. Don't take help from your mother, because class itself, when you will come to the class, that time you have to do all these things by yourself. Okay, again I am telling these things. The sky, blue, sky is blue, tomatoes are red, shoes are black, hair is curly, or the her hair is, the girl's hair is curly, and the pool is deep, mangoes are sweet. All these 6 sentences I have written. Today itself I will give all these things to the assignment page, and YouTube class also I will upload. Okay, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day, and please write. Those who have not completed, please write now also. What happened? Please, have you written, beta? Zarin, Susanna, please write. Slowly you should write. Slowly, no problem, beta. Please write slowly. But don't do mistakes, okay? Who is this? Why you are not wearing the school dress, beta? Are you not here in Burdwan? Why are you not wearing the school dress? If you are in Burdwan in your home, please wear everyday school dress, okay? Why are you not writing? Please write in your copy. I did not tell in the book. Please write in your copy. Okay, Zarin Sultana. Why are you not writing in the copy? I told these 3 sentences, 4 sentences you should write in the copy. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, beta. Everybody, when you are joining that, mute your microphone. Please wear that school dress, because this is the online live classes, no? Online classes, YouTube classes you are doing, but live classes, please wear the school dress. I know that sometimes you are having some problem. Besides that, please try to wear everyday school dress, okay? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.